Although this water was founded in Jerusalem at the Solomon's Temple, today called Dome of the Rock, but it was primarily a... And with that, if you look on the right side in front, that will be Coimbra, the former capital of Portugal, the first capital, and a great example of a medieval town. You can see houses all over the place, on top of each other, right next to each other, very compact in a small space, sharp corner, narrow streets. That will be medieval style. We are now crossing the Mondego River. This will be the third biggest river in Portugal, Mondego. Now you'll have some time down here to have lunch and such. A few of you asked me again about the shop, so let's make it like this. I will take you to the main street where you have that cork and ceramic shop. From there you can go explore the area, have lunch, but also there's one thing I recommend you to do. If you look in front of you, between those two buildings, that is the main street of Coimbra. That's where you want to be, and that's where I'll take you to the corner over there. You have the shop, and from there I can show you halfway down the street you have restaurants for food, and all the way to the end. The street is very, very short. It's 2 minutes walk from one end to the other end. So really, really short, really. And now, so we're gonna stop right over here. This building in front to the right, the roundish building, it's a hotel called Hotel Astoria.
Oh,
all right.
Astoria.
So our exit will be at Hotel Astoria.
I know you want to know. $50% off yan, oh.
here.